be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's going on, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I got lucky on these bad boys. These bad boys release this weekend, March the 5th, and they had a shock drop about a week and a half ago, and I was able to hit on the shock drop. I don't know any of my other friends personally, maybe one, maybe just one that hit, but not too many people hit on these, man. But I was able to hit. So let's go ahead and bring these in. Boom. You see that box? You see that box? Bam. Yes, sir. That University Blue, the UNC Blue box. Yes, sir. And these are the Air Jordan 6 Retro. Alright. Colorway is University Blue, white, and black. Size 14 on these bad boys right here. Alright. Different labeling there for you all. Alright. Man, let's get the box out of here. Glad that I was able to pick up these joints right here, man. I'm very excited about these as far as Jordan releases for the year. So let's go ahead and get into them, man. Got your normal cement paper in there, all right, similar to what's on the box. All right, now let's bring them out. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Woo! Ah, man. I really love when they do the Jordan 6s and this kind of color blocking. Left shoe first, baby. Woo, woo. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Man. Jordan 6 UNC. Man, that University Blue and the navy blue hits on here. Yo, I'm going to say it early. I normally wait to the end of the video to say this, but these are just too sweet. And these most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, baby. Man. These joints is nuts right here. I like the, let me unlace them. They laced tight in there, man. Jordan 6s. They are laced super tight on the inside there. Alright, so you got your Jordan on the lace lock there. Let's pull the lace lock down so we can loosen these bad boys up. Woo! Look at that tongue, man. Look at that tongue right there. That is nice, man. That is a thing of beauty, man. Look at the tongue. Look at the back of the tongue. Look at the design. This is crazy to me, man. On the back, of course, it says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. All right. And it says team. This says team in the gray up there, team. So I'm assuming this is to represent the team of, the North Carolina Tar Heels. This isn't a team Jordan, but represent his team, his alma mater. You know what I'm saying? Man. Jordan 6s, not even gonna lie to you, they're not one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes, but when they do it in this kind of color blocking, man, it's too sweet to me. Pretty much all of them that I have like this are too sweet. Now, I saw people discussing on Twitter as it relates to this shoe, which one between this one and this one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Carmines or do you prefer the UNCs? Now normally give me the blue. Give me the blue all day long, but man, these Carmines are crazy. I can't really say between the two of these which one is more sweet. They're both pretty sweet. They're both pretty awesome. I know a lot of people are going to go off the nostalgia, and this has the Nike Air on the booty view, but I mean, these are dope as well. But you know what I say? I think is a little bit better to me. These bad boys right here. The Gatorade 6s. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now I know the tongue and everything isn't the same as those UNCs. I think as it relates to that, the details, the small details, I think the UNC is a little bit better. But if we're just talking about how the shoe looks and the color blocking here, if we're just talking about that, I like this orange, man. I like this orange. And this green hits this Gatorade. I really like this one. Now, we're breaking every single aspect of the shoe down. We're looking inside at the insoles. We're looking at the front of the tongue. We're looking at the back of the tongue. Then of the three that I own with this color blocking, I know the Olympics, which I really like, and I wish I could get them. But the Olympics with the navy blue and white fit in this category too. But of the three that I have, if we're getting all the way down to the nitty gritty and to the details, then I would say the UNC is probably the best one. But I really like this orange one. So if I was to pick between the three, something about this orange, man. Something about this orange is very dope to me. So, slight edge right now. The UNCs probably might grow on me, but this gets the slight edge because this is a slept-on one. People don't talk about this one very much, man. People don't talk about this Gatorade one. But let me get that one out of here. That's not what you guys are here for today. All right. These release this coming Saturday, and from what I am to understand, there will not be a sneaker release. These will not be on, this is the shoe insole, the shoe tree. These will not release on sneakers this coming weekend. These will be available at select Nike retailers. But when they did the shock drop on these a week or so ago, after All-Star Game, that was the official the release for sneakers, which is weird. Why would you make a shock drop and then not actually release them on the site? That's kind of crazy. But hey, I mean, I got them, thank you. But for those who were banking on the sneakers app, then you're not going to be able to get them from there. So you're going to have to look around at the the foot sights and the finish lines and the JD Sports and shoe palaces and all that for these, okay? Just some of the breaking news that's come out. You see a Jumpman on the inside there. Nice labeling. Kind of light silver Jumpman. I like that on the back. Very nice. Man, they did that thing. Let's pull out the right boy just to see, because you know the tongue, no two tongues are alike. Right. Shoe. Second. Alright, now let's look at the tongue on this bad boy. Looking at that one, looking at this one. You know, they're actually kind of, oh, nope. I was going to say they're the same. I was going to say that they are the same. They are not. It's on the back. The front of the tongues kind of look similar to me. The fronts look similar, but the backs have different designs. Look at that one, and look at that. Look there. Different designs on the back of the tongues. The fronts are pretty similar. They're pretty similar if you look at the fronts. But the back is where you see the differences. Alright, let's get the right boy out of here. Back to the left. Man, icy bottoms with your UNC blue Jumpman. Alright. Man, these are dope, man. These are very dope. Glad that I was able to get these right here, man. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.